Okay, so let's take a little look at Meta stock here. I was just about to go out for a run, but I thought I'd show you the price action and the chart here in Meta platform. It's been a fantastic move higher in this stock from 2023 all the way into 2024. We have been long this market. It's been an incredible move higher, but you often see this pattern on a chart when things are starting to slow down or there is a reversal coming. Now you can see here that we're making new highs on Meta. We've got a target on our ProTrend system that it's up at 630 here, so it's been a fantastic move higher. But we do have a 45-degree divergence on our Storyteller. Now we want to take notice of this, guys, because this is often an area of where price is slowing down with the advance higher. We could see a little bit of a pullback here, or it could be the end of a trend. Let me show you a couple of examples here that I was looking at that did exactly the same pattern. Here's a stock called Haleon here. It's a UK share and it's been the golden child. We've been looking for long trades on this one. It's been green ProTrend system all the way up from £3.35 all the way up to £4 here. But as you can see, as we get up higher, as we start to really accelerate the move, the Storyteller is signaling a 45 degree. Now it's got to be 45 degrees, guys, to really give us the heads up that this thing could roll over, okay? And you can see that we're now down to £3.78. So this pattern is a significant pattern. It's a pattern that's saying that the market is slowing or there is a reversal coming. Take a look at this other golden child stock, Greggs PLC. This company came out with news at the weekend that it was increasing the amount of shops it's going to open in the towns. But the share price gave us this three-way 45-degree divergence. Right up here, we started to sell off at £32.20. So look where we are now, trading at £28. Okay, so it's not a place to buy when you see that divergent signal. You know, it's probably a place to start banking some profits and look for the drop and then look for some new buying opportunities to then trade it back up. I'm certainly going to be doing that with Greggs. I think it's a great stock. I think the growth will continue. But look, when I saw that pattern up there, I was looking at this thinking, this ain't going higher, guys. This is going lower. And look, if you're in a spread betting account, you could have shorted this market. Obviously, you can't short it if you're in a share dealing account or you're trading your ISA or SIP or whatever. But just keep your eye on that pattern because it is often the top of a near-term wave. So it's either going to drop and it's going to drop significantly or it's going to pull back. Now, you don't want to be buying the market up there because you're going to be sitting through pain if that market does drop, okay? So just bear in mind that Meta now is in and around those areas. We've got to be a little bit careful. If you look at it on the bigger time frame, on the weekly chart in particular, we're seeing this big divergence trade setting up. You know, $600 here is a big psychological area as well. It may be an area where it stalls and we start to see a little bit of a pullback here. I certainly don't want to be a buyer of Meta up here. There's no value in it for me when I've got this pattern. I want to see this as well drop further down and then find some new buyers and then we push higher. Okay, so a little bit of a direction there on the chart pattern. Make sure you're not buying stocks when they've got that 45-degree divergence because it's telling us the price is slowing and we could see potentially a significant drop. Hope it helps, guys. Speak to you soon.